Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. Okay, you know I'm Rachel, right? Well, now you know I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some peach shortcake with whipped cream. Alright? Okay, follow me along. You're going to like this dessert. It's a quick dessert and easy. I think the family would enjoy it. Okay? Let's do it. Thanks. Oh, by the way, please, let's go ahead and give the thumbs up. Right there, just put the thumbs up. Hit that button, thumbs up. Subscribe if this is the first time you're on my channel. And check out my links below if you would like to support this channel. I'm looking for those who would like to support this channel in any way. Okay, let's do it. Thanks. Okay, so we're making our peach shortcake. And we're going to be using this Biscuit mix, 2 cans of peaches. Here's one here, and the second one here. 2 cans of peaches. Okay, and we're gonna jazz it up with some cinnamon and that sort of thing. First thing we're gonna do is make the whipped cream. So I have a half of a container. This is looks like 16 fluid ounces, so we're going to be using 8 fluid ounces of whipped cream, heavy cream. Heavy cream and whipped cream is the same. Okay, and adding to the whipped cream, I'm going to add some sugar. So I'll add 2 packages of Taste Blue, which is a sugar substitute. You can add regular sugar if you like. Okay, so we're going to whip this up to make whipped cream. And I'm going to put this on the highest speed, which is boost. Okay, we're going to take a look. It's almost there, but not quite. Let me get a spoon and check that. What you want is a peak. Well, I do have a peak, but I can still see I can whip it maybe another minute. So I'm going to do that. Oh yes. Okay, so when it doubles in size, let me show you. And it gets thick like that. You see that? See? It's not falling off the spoon. We're good. You don't want to over mix whipped cream. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to put that in a container and put it in the refrigerator while we work on the balance of our peach shortcake. Okay? 1 second. Okay guys, so I drained the juice off the 2 cans of peaches, and I drained it. I put the peaches in here and strained it through this fine strainer. Okay? Alright, so now let's dress it up. So add some cinnamon. That was about 6 tablespoons of cinnamon. Some vanilla extract. Let's do about 2 tablespoons of that. 1, 2. And I have a half a stick of melted butter. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't show you the cinnamon. and the vanilla. Okay. Okay, let's mix this up. Okay, and I'm going to add 3 packages of sugar substitute. Mine is Nature Taste Blue, but it's a sugar substitute. You can add regular sugar if you want. So this equals 3 tablespoons. Okay, now that we have our peaches all set, I'm going to set that aside. Let's see, where did this come from? Okay. So now we're going to work with our Biscuit mix. I put it in a bag because it's, once you open the bag, you don't want it to get stale. Okay. So let's go with 1 cup, 2 cups of Biscuit mix. If you're going to make a bigger container than I am, then you can double up on the Biscuit mix, but the peaches can stay the same. Okay. Okay, I got the water there. This is the pan size that I'm going to be using. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to add the water. This is a cup of water I'm starting with. We're going to add half first. And you don't want this thick. You want it kind of runny. Well, I can see I need more water. Putting another half in, so that's 1.5 cups of water now. Okay, so you can see this is loose. Yeah, it's running fast. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now I have another half a stick of butter that's going to go in the Biscuit mix. Okay, so look at that. See? Runny, right? Alright. Put a little oil in the bottom of our pan. Olive oil. Just to coat the pan. See what I'm doing? Okay, so now we're going to put some Biscuit mix on the bottom of the pan. Like so. So now we're going to take our peaches. We're going to put on top of the Biscuit mix. Put the cinnamon in it. Good. Okay, I'm putting the rest of the Biscuit mix on the top, as you can see. And then the balance of the peaches on top of the Biscuit mix. So you see how we layered it up, right? Okay, there we go. Look at that. So we're going to bake this in the oven on 350 degrees until it gets brown. The Biscuit mix will rise up and you'll be able to see it's getting brown, okay? I'll show you all the way. Okay, thanks. 1 second. The word of the day. The word of the day is youth. Youth. You know, you may have your youth right now. You know, you may be physically in shape. You may not have a lot of aches and pains. You may feel like you're young again. Youth. Well, enjoy that now, because it's not going to be with you always. There are going to be some days coming in the future where you may feel like your youth is gone, and you know, you got to take it for what it is, right? You know, it's sort of like let's say you buy a pineapple, and when you first get it, it's hard, and sometimes you don't even know when to cut it or when not to cut it, and then when you finally cut it open, You may have it where it's still hard, or you may have it where it looks like, oh goodness, it's overripe. Okay, the youth is gone out of it if it's overripe. You know what I mean? It's getting old. So enjoy your youth while you have it, you know. Enjoy those moments, because the youth will not last for always. That's the word of the day. Okay, thanks. Okay guys, our peach shortcake is out. Let me let you take a look at that. Look at that, guys. How about that, huh? Oh, does that look good? Okay. Now let's cut a piece out. That's what the metal looks like. See? This is the piece I cut out. Look how fluffy the shortcake looks like. Look at that. Fluffy looking. Okay, so we got some whipped cream we made. And put some whipped cream on the top. Like that. And it's still a little warm, so I gotta show you quick. Alright, and let me let you see me take a taste. 1 second. Okay guys, that's what we're looking like. Okay. Wow. This shortbread is nice and soft. The peaches with the flavored cinnamon comes right through. And that whipped cream. Oh my goodness. Oh, I could go to town on this, guys. Let me stop. So good, so good, so good. Please make that. The family will love it. They will love it. Okay? Give it a thumbs up. Come on, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.